How comfortable is it to sleep in a truck on the uneven shoulder? If you look in front of you, there are two trucks behind me, in front of me. This is the rest area in Ida. It's filled. Oh boy. I even slept with the window open. Forgot to close the window. That's why I wake up in the morning with whiplash. Because I was packing the night. At night I forgot to close the window. This is not the first time. I got sick before. We are in winter. You wake up in the morning with whiplash. This side is the window is up. This side is not. And this is not the first time. When you have an injury on your neck because of the cold, it's no fun. Look how comfortable is it, how uncomfortable is it. Of course the truck is tilted. You put the ball here, yeah, the ball is going to slide. You wake up in the morning, you discover that you are going to, your feet is hitting that door. If you hit it hard, you open it, you can find yourself, you wake up in the morning, you find yourself on the street, falling from the truck. It's very easy to get that window unlocked. It happened to me before. I even almost lost a bag of computer. It is not hard. If you forget at night to close that door tight, it will open. You forget, for example, you forget this latch. It will open easily. You find yourself sleeping, falling from the truck on the grass. It's not easy at all. I'll show you how it's very easy to fall out of the truck. When you get that door, your closet, touch it, you just open it. You leave it. It opens because the truck is tilted. It opens. Then you cannot do any exercise because when you sit on the floor, you're sitting like me. One leg is higher than the other. And your back is twisted. Your neck is twisted. In addition to you left the window open with a strained neck, strained back, you wake up in the morning like a handicap. So how are you going to do now if you want to exercise here? If you want to do some exercise, abdominal exercise, you cannot do it that way because of the slope. So you have to stand facing this way, facing the microwave or the side of the window. If you want to do any kind of exercise, back or abdominal exercise. Also you can exercise on the bed, abdominal. You want to do spinal exercise or bending, you have to stand sideways, not to the front. If you wanted to shave or to floss your teeth, get your toothbrush, your floss, and your mirror. The old ways, I do it like this. I open that drawer, I put my toothbrush, my floss. To try to get that poor mirror to stay here. The mirror can stay. The mirror can stay. And turn that light on. You look at that, it's opened because of the slope. So you cannot even floss or shave without getting a pillow to stop that window from open. Sometimes it works, sometimes it takes some time. So what I do, get a pillow, stick it here. Does that work? Yeah, it might work. Then you put your mirror here. Now it works. That is the mirror, and that is your light, and that is the pillow, and that is your drawer, and that's your toothbrush. Then now the house fell on the floor. Everything looks good now. No, it doesn't look good. Any movement, anything of that can slide. That can slide easily. It can slide easily. But the very disturbing fact is that I forgot the window open in a freezing situation. And my neck froze before in Montana. And I should have learned my lesson. And even I have the heater up. It is heating. But the heat doesn't help you when the window is open.